Let's take a look at the Michael Jordan room. So they have made this room to look like what Michael Jordan's dorm room would have looked like. Got some classic Carolina gear right there. If anyone who's been to college, a bathroom like this will definitely bring back memories. How awesome. All right, let's take a look at the actual room part of it. A little single twin-size bed. Got a Marcus Johnson poster. Carolina team schedule poster there. The pennants. This was a picture that was used on the Sports Illustrated that them two were on. Oh, look at that. I've never seen that before. The championship tie. Oh, look at the boom box, the record player. The big CBS Sports. Got some more posters over here. Kareem poster. Got some Nikes. Some Nikes here on the floor. Jordan's famous saying from a couple years ago, the ceiling is the roof. Some cutouts from magazines. The Carolina Converse shoes. His student ID card, Jordan's student ID card. How many of you remember having a phone like this? I do. And in the closet, they have a pretty cool nostalgic Tar Heels, North Carolina Tar Heels sweatshirt there. Got some photos of Sam Perkins and Jordan when they were in school together. So what are your thoughts, Miss Emily, on the Michael Jordan room?
Oh, it's really cool. I love the big boom box. That part is really cool.
The boom box is super cool.
Yeah, no, it's just really neat how they've got it all set up. It's cool to like walk back in time and see it all.
If you are a Carolina fan.
Yes. Or a Michael Jordan fan.
Yes.
If you're not a Carolina fan, then this is still the place for you. Like, it is very cool.
The Graduate here in Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
Say, go Hills!